Picture this, it's December 31st, 2025, and you're reflecting on the year. You've crushed your goals, your finances are thriving, you're in the best shape of your life, and you're surrounded by people who push you to be better. This vision isn't a pipe dream. It's achievable. In this article, we will delve into 5 transformative steps that can completely change your life and help you achieve your dreams. These steps are not mere theories or fluff. They are real, actionable strategies you can start using today. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Quiet the noise and trust your inner wisdom. The impact of noise on your potential. Our daily lives are filled with noise. From the relentless barrage of opinions on social media to advertisements telling us what we should want, even well-meaning friends and family often impose their expectations on us. This constant noise makes it easy to lose touch with the most crucial voice, our own. Carving out non-negotiable time for yourself. A few years ago, I found myself overwhelmed by external influences. I spent hours scrolling through social media, comparing my life to others, and feeling increasingly paralyzed as if I would never measure up. Then, everything changed when I began carving out non-negotiable time for myself every day. This meant no phone and no distractions, just me and my thoughts. Initially, it felt uncomfortable, almost as if I didn't trust myself to think deeply. However, over time, I began asking myself meaningful questions. What do I really want in life? What activities do I genuinely love, and what am I doing just to impress others? The answers were not always easy, but they were clear. The power of clarity. When you quiet the noise around you, you stop following trends and start building the life you truly want. Clarity is more than just knowing what you want. It's about having the confidence to chase your dreams without caring what others think. Your challenge. Tomorrow, block out 1 hour for yourself. No phone, no distractions, just you, a journal, and some honest questions. This one habit will unlock a level of focus you didn't think was possible. Step 2. Identify your path. The common mistake, trying to do everything at once. Once the noise is gone, it's time to figure out where you are going. Many people make the mistake of trying to do everything at once. I was once guilty of this myself. I wanted to improve my finances, get in shape, start a business, and enhance my relationships, all at the same time. Predictably, I made zero progress because I was spread too thin. The power of focus. The turning point came when I realized that focus creates power. Concentrating all your energy on one clear target makes you unstoppable. In 2020, I decided that my primary focus would be building my business. My goal was specific. I aimed to hit $100,000 in revenue by the end of the year. I mapped out exactly what it would take to achieve this goal, including the number of clients I needed, what I had to sell, and how I was going to deliver. The unexpected benefits of single-minded focus. Focusing on a single goal didn't just help me achieve it. It had a ripple effect on other areas of my life. My fitness improved because I needed the energy to perform well. My relationships got better because I grew more confident in my pursuits. Your takeaway. Choose one area of your life to dominate in 2025. Is it fitness, career, or personal growth? Whatever it is, make it specific. Write down exactly where you want to be by December 31st, 2025. Next, visualize it. What does it feel like to achieve that goal? This clarity will serve as your compass for the year. Step 3. Pursue relentless action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Now that you have your path, it's time to take action. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start. They overthink, overplan, and convince themselves they need more information before taking action. But here's the truth, you'll never feel completely ready. The only way to create momentum is to start moving. The messiness of starting. When I first decided to grow my business, I had no idea what I was doing. My website looked amateurish, my pitch was shaky, and I felt like an imposter. But I didn't let that stop me. I sent my first cold email, made my first offer, and began connecting with people. It was messy, but it worked. Action creates clarity. Every step you take teaches you something, even if it ends in failure. These lessons are what separate the doers from the dreamers. Your first step. Start small. Take one tiny step toward your goal today. If your goal is fitness, go for a 10-minute walk. If it's business related, reach out to one potential client. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to happen. The more you act, the less fear you'll feel. Before you know it, you'll look back and see how far you've come. Step 4. Build momentum through consistency. The secret weapon, consistency. Consistency is the secret weapon that will make or break your success. Many people think success comes from huge, life-changing actions. In reality, it's the small, boring habits we repeat every day that lead to significant results. The power of small habits. When I committed to taking fitness seriously, I didn't overhaul my life overnight. Instead, I dedicated myself to 30-minute workouts every day, no matter what. Some days were amazing, others were a struggle, but I didn't miss a single day. The ripple effect of consistent habits. After 6 months, the results were undeniable. This habit not only transformed my body but also my mind. I built the discipline of showing up even when it was hard. This habit then spilled over into my work, relationships, and overall mindset. How you can do the same? Break your big goal into small, daily habits. If your goal is to grow your income, your daily habit could be reaching out to 3 people every day. If it's fitness, commit to 20 minutes of movement daily. The key is to keep it simple and consistent. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on showing up. Real momentum comes from doing something repeatedly until it becomes impossible to fail. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. The influence of your environment. Your environment will either push you forward or hold you back. The people you spend time with, friends, family, colleagues, have a massive impact on your success. The impact of negative influence. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who constantly complains, makes excuses, and talks about how life is unfair? That negative energy rubs off on you, making you second-guess your goals and settle for less. The power of positive influence. On the flip side, being around driven, focused, and positive individuals makes you think bigger and believe in yourself more. A few years ago, I realized I was spending too much time with people who weren't aligned with the future I wanted. They weren't bad people, but they weren't growing, and it was holding me back. So, I made a decision: start seeking out people who were already where I wanted to be. Finding your circle. Initially, it felt uncomfortable. I felt like an outsider. But the more I surrounded myself with high achievers, the more I leveled up. It's not just about who you know. It's about who you become because of those people. Your challenge: audit your circle. Think about the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they helping you grow, or are they keeping you stuck? If necessary, spend less time with those who drain you and more time with those who inspire you. If you can't find those people in your immediate life, go online. Join communities, follow mentors, or connect with people who share your goals. The right environment can change everything. Pulling it all together. The 5 steps to make 2025 your breakout year are. These steps aren't just things you can do. They are a blueprint for success. However, knowing these steps won't change your life, taking action will. Your first action. Write down your goal for 2025. Be specific. What is the one thing you will focus on? Next, write down one small action you'll take today to get started. No excuses. Remember, your environment matters. Stay motivated by surrounding yourself with people who are serious about growth. You can achieve your best year ever. Are you ready to go after it? Let's make it happen.